We used to do Ferraris, Lamborghinis you get there, classic cars.
Okay, let's start it.
A shop that would do a lot of different type of cars.
Now we're gonna do remote. Gonna do remote type 2. Ignition on. Program remote. Open the driver door. Into the doors. Unlock everything. Unlock. Is everything unlock? Let's get scared. Okay, make sure everything unlock. I press unlock. I'm gonna ask you. It's okay. Yeah. Okay, gonna ask you to put unlock button. Okay. So basically, it asks you to push lock and unlock at the same time, and then lock again, and you just heard the beep, so it should be good. Let's check it out. Okay, it works. Trunk. I think the trunk open. Is the trunk open?
No.
Oh, hang on. Oh, hang on. I think the button, I have to fix the button a little bit.